How's your hair?
So what a day. What an absolutely fabulous day. We are here celebrating the issuance of the Certificate of Inspection from the Coast Guard for Matthew Turner. I think about when we first started and we had a pile of wood and a dirt floor with no tent. This has all been made possible by people that are represented here on the screen beside me, and many, many more. There have been hundreds of people who have dedicated so much time to making Matthew Turner come to fruition. And I can't thank all of you enough.